Share my breakout strategy to you guys. And of course, this is an awesome strategy, perfectly used on the intraday level and also swing trading. So you get in the trades, you can hold for as long as you like once you are trading in the direction that the market is in, right? Now, all this work is you identifying the high and the low of the previous daily candle. Now, for me, it's quite simple, right? So let's get to work. Now, this is the high and the low of the previous daily candle. Now, what do you want to do is, of course, scale down to the 4 hour time frame and make the necessary adjustments to on the, of course, on the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour, of course, also what you're gonna be doing is identifying the high and of course the low of on the 4 hour. So as you can see, this would be the recent high and low of the 4 hour candle, right? So pretty much that's all we get to it. Now, of course, seeing that you have identified the high and the low of the 4 hour time frame, you're then going to be scaling down to the 1 hour time frame, of course, to wait for price to break the 1 hour structure, right? So let's get to that right now. All right. So what you want to do, of course, is put a level. I call it level here. All right. So as you can see, price was coming down, right? But eventually never break this structure, right? The new candle that form actually is pushing up to the upside, right? And if you scroll out right now, if you zoom out, you can see where price is actually going up in an uptrend, right? But it actually rejected this high and went down, right? It went down back to this level. Now, what we want to do on the 1 hour, if price continue, if price close above this level, then we're of course gonna be looking for buys, right? But as I said, price is in uh somewhat an uptrend right now, right? So it's all about patience and all of that as it relates to you being on the 1 hour time frame, right? Now the entries of course is on the 50-minute time frame, right? So once you have seen where price has closed above or below the structure level that you have put in place, once price has break above or below that, you're gonna then scroll down to the 50-minute time frame, then place your entry and wait for price to just go right into the direction of your entry level. And all you do from there is just to let price do her thing, and you can do whatever else you want to do. You can play some video games, go to your work on some other stuff, whatever you want to do, right? But I can of course show you what is going on right now. So let me scroll down to, let me just scale down to the 15-minute time frame. So let's say I am expecting price to continue to the upside, right? What I would want to do is, of course, so as you can see, there is my entry level, right? So all you need to do is just split price, do her thing, and you're good. That's all you need to do. And always remember, you can put your stop loss below this level here, and you should be good. So let's see how does this plays out. We actually have few seconds left on this bullish candle going to the upside now. So let's watch and see how it plays out for it to actually for us to actually know what's going on. And be mindful, guys, that this while the strategy is 100% proven, winnable, and also profitable, doesn't mean that you're not gonna get a few losing trades. But as I said, what I can definitely tell you, the more you practice, the more you actually do your back testing, forwarding testing, you're definitely gonna get this. Alright, so still watching price now to actually see how the analyst was. So now price is actually doing his thing. Of course, we can scale back to the 1 hour time frame. So price is still not has yet closed on the 1 hour time frame. But let's see how price do his thing on 15-minute time frame.